7034 7th Ave. Awesome little fence right there. Second house is back there. Little house next door, little neighbor there. A few little houses across the street. And then an open lot right there. Probably buildable, you can find out. This little deck here. Small living area. This is a really cute little place, and I don't use that word very often. Classic Tahoma. Super old feeling place. Floor feels old. That wood stove's definitely got to go. That's old. I'm gonna spin one more time here, sorry. Okay, so bedroom one. Wood panel walls, hard to see. Let me get better exposure. There we go. So wood panel walls. That room feels about 13, 14 feet wide, something like that. And then we've got a bathroom here. The window here, that's some of that Conservancy land, I believe. That must be a heater. Yeah, very cool. Very cool place. There's your phone holder. Kitchen, not tiny, definitely small, but not ship size, sailboat size. Look at this view out the sink. That window, by the way, is seal's busted, but gorgeous setting out here. And there's your washer and dryer. Don't forget there when you're doing your dishes. Anyways, bedroom two. This house reminded me of the days back when I was ski bumming. And look what's in the closet here. Get out the back. All right, let's go there next. These little entryways to this house are so cool. This place is a great feel. It's little and it's funky and it's old, but it is cool. Tahoma, classic West Shore. So obviously I'm here in the afternoons. The afternoon light is really good. You can see a gap up in the trees there. Let's see. Sorry. There you go. There's a gap in the trees. That was really nice. Letting the sun in. Oh, there's the shed off the back of that building. You can see that there. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and then turn it back on once I get inside. Okay, now here we are inside the second structure. That wood stove is newer. That might be able to stay, although I want to verify that. That's borderline. Stoves that are too old have to go per local EPA regulations. It's typically a seller responsibility to remove them, and then the buyer would then have to buy a new one. That's how it works. Man, the setting's unreal. All right, back in another awesome little Old Tahoe cabin. That's an updated window right there. That is not. Fridge, door to the outside, dog friendly, clearly. Washer and dryer, just out of the kitchen in this one. It's a great place. In today's rental market, this house would do, these two structures would do really well. Another cool old window there, look at that. And then they put some plastic on the outside of that window to insulate it in the winter. It's still there, I can see it. All right. Nice tight little stairway, and then two gorgeous little rooms. This place is great for the right taste. This place is awesome. Okay, thanks for visiting the Big Blue Lake. Feel free to reach out with any questions or for your private tour of this property.